Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video. So what we have planned for in this video is to show you guys a day in the life at STM or WONGSPEC headquarters, and then also what we do have planned is maybe later in this video I'll be showing you guys some FN2 content. There is actually a big update. A new induction has been fitted, the car went for tune, as well as there will be a Dyno run and maybe some pulls as well. So like I mentioned, this is going to be a day in the life at STM. We'll start off with removing this bumper of Said. He still needs to collect it. Bear in mind his car is a race car, so it's under construction and he doesn't really need the bumper. So we're going to remove this bumper, put another bumper here, fit the diffuser, as well as do a WONGSPEC rear bumper cut. And then also guys, just something I'd actually like to share with you guys in this little area over here. Just want your guys' advice or maybe your input as to what we are going to do moving forward. So this little area here is just a hangout spot. I was thinking you guys can maybe come here and chill out while I actually work on your car. This little area, a few parts have actually been piled up, so in this video I might just tag you guys along with actually delivering one of these coilovers, as well as I need to do some packaging for the lip and make it ready for courier. I think one of the coilovers will also be shipped as well. And then this is the bump over here, and then this little section over here is also a TV for you guys to maybe watch something. I'll maybe put my Xbox here, maybe get a kettle or something. There's also a little mini fridge over there. This area I might just make a office type of setup, and maybe over there is some storage as well. So yeah guys, that is pretty much the plan for this whole area. I want to create a bit of a shop area, a bit of a, how can I say, hangout spot for you guys to come chill. Like I mentioned, maybe if you guys are working or I'm working on a car, you guys can chill here with me as well. And then also just for some friends as well, subscribers, maybe just to come hang out. Maybe even do a, what is that, a shop opening type of a thing. Not quite sure really. Another thing that I just failed to mention is that I also need to go to Honda to get a gift from them. I think it's going to be a poster that I maybe just add here for some deco. And then another friend of mine is also making me some stickers, some STM stickers for the sliding door over here. So that is basically what we have planned for in this video. Please let me know in the comment section if you guys would actually be interested in hanging out there, and if you think it's a cool idea as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this video. Okay guys, so this is what the diffuser looks like, as well as this is the WONGSPEC rear bumper cut. So I'm just going to remove the bumper from here, and then we can fit it in the Yaris. And then just something cool I thought I'd share with you guys. The bakkie isn't here, so I have to use the Yaris. Let me just show you guys what it looks like inside. So this is the setup. I have to actually put 2 bumpers in here because I need to drop off an EG6 front bumper as well. Okay guys, so this is also the lip. I just use some bubble wrap to wrap it up. My courier guy actually wraps it up. I just thought I would maybe just add some extra wrapping just to make it a little bit more safer. And then that will be it. So it's ready for courier. I think it will be coming today or later, tomorrow if I'm not mistaken, and then this will be sent out. Okay guys, so we're all locked and loaded. I have the EG6 front bumper in the car, as well as the OC coilovers, and as well as the WONGSPEC rear bumper cut. So we're basically just going to deliver all the parts, and then after that I have to go to my friend that is going to assist us with making the stickers for you guys, as well as the sticker for the sliding door. So yeah, I'm almost by the customer's house. He has a CL9 Accord. I'll maybe just show you guys his car as well. So this is just going to be a short video. I just want to say a massive thanks to Auto Color Creation for actually sponsoring this. We are going to fit the FN2 wing, and this is what we are going to need actually besides this. You can actually hear the customer outside, so I'm just going to open up for him and then we can get started. Okay guys, so I just finished up with the seeker wing. As you guys can see, it's taped up on overkill on the side. It was just lifting a little bit here, so just to secure it, we just put a lot of tape on the side, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome, and so is the customer. This is his FN2. He recently bought it as well. It's a pretty clean car. Just something cool I thought I'd mention to you guys. He actually had a Subaru before this, and this is a Subaru wing, if I'm not mistaken. It looks pretty cool. I haven't seen this before. And then he's also getting the Tegiwa, the scoops, or the how can I say, the air ducts. So that's pretty cool. I'm seeing some cold air induction over here as well. So yeah, the customer is pretty happy with the outcome, and we're all done with the seeker wing. So yeah, if you guys did like this section of the video, please do give it a thumbs up.
Several days later.
Yo guys, so this is an update on the red FN2 Type R. What we are planning on doing today is I'm actually currently on my way to the suspension shop to link up with my friend Basil. To my understanding, he's doing the tie rod ends as well as the bushings, I think. So I'm actually meeting up with him to fetch the car, and then he's probably going to take my car. The reason for that is we actually need to do adjustments on the induction because of the new Skunk 2 intake, or we may be just going to fit another induction, I'm not quite sure. So the reason why we also need to do that is because we need to get the car tuned as soon as possible. I can actually see him over here. So I'm just going to turn around. I think he's done with the suspension shop, and then I'm going to fetch the car. I think he's going to use my car to go to work, and then I have to sort out the induction. So that is basically what we have planned for today. So yeah, let's get going. Are we?
Go and give me the parts,
What parts?
the rack ends and the ball joints.
Okay guys, so I actually confirmed it's actually the ball joint and the rack ends that need to be replaced. So I'm just going to go look for a place to do that and then have that sorted out, and then we can do the induction. Hey guys, so this is a friend of ours, Robin's car. It's actually very neat. I know there's very low mileage on, so I'll show you guys that he actually works at Honda. I'm just going to get a quote on the prices here, and then we're going to decide as to what we're going to do.
A few moments later.
Yo guys, so I'm actually sitting outside Honda, just got a quotation. So just to clear up the confusion with the whole suspension thingies, so to my understanding, if you want to replace your ball joint on your FN2 Type R, you would have to buy the whole lower control arm, because the ball joint basically comes on the lower control arm. So that is a part that we need, as well as the rack end. So to my understanding, he also mentioned that there is going to be a waiting time about around a month for those parts as well. So I'm just going to check by Master Parts what they are going to charge, and then take it from there. So if you guys do have an FN2 Type R and you want to replace your ball joint, to my understanding, you would have to obviously replace your lower control arm as well, because the ball joint actually sits on the lower control arm. So that's just some cool information I thought I'd share with you. So yeah, I'm gonna leave Honda right now, get the quotation, and then maybe meet up with Saeed for the induction. And then this is also the quote. Okay guys, so coming to a conclusion with regarding this whole setup is, to my understanding, Master Parts as well as even Honda has to wait for the ball joint or the lower control arm. So it is going to be some time before we actually do that. And then with regarding the induction, unfortunately our friends Saeed did not have the correct piping or the correct silicone, so we're going to order that, and then once that comes in, we are basically going to change the induction. Cool thing also is that I already actually have a buyer for the induction that we have. There's no problem with that induction, it's just that it doesn't really work well with the skunk to intake. So yeah, that's basically a conclusion to this video, and then obviously we'll continue it in the future as well once we get everything.
Several days later.